Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus Prediction Friday 17 February 2023. Tuesday South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus draw result number. Powerball result number 8, 14, 18, 21, 49. Powerball number 11. Powerball Plus result number 12, 20, 36, 39, 50. Powerball number 4. 14 February South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus prediction winning number 8, number 11, number 12, number 50, Friday South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus calculation prediction number. Hi YouTube family, welcome to SB Prediction. Today Powerball and Powerball Plus single number prediction 1 to 10 3 number prediction. 1, 7 and 10. 11 to 23 number prediction. Number 11, 15 and 18. 21 to 33 number prediction. Number 21, 23 and 27. 31 to 43 number prediction. Number 31, 34 and 38. 41 to 53 number prediction. Number 42, 46 and 48. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus prediction repeat 1 to 10 3 number prediction 1, 7 and 10. 11 to 23 number prediction 11, 15 and 18. 21 to 33 number prediction 21, 23 and 27. 31 to 43 number prediction 31, 34 and 38. 41 to 53 number prediction 42, 46 and 48. Join this premium telegram channel SB Prediction. Join this premium telegram channel SB Prediction, link in description and comment box. Join this premium telegram channel SB Prediction, link in description and comment box. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus Powerball number prediction. Number 2, 12 and 16. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus Powerball number prediction repeat 2, 12 and 16. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus prediction complete. Like and share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Good luck. See you soon next video. Bye bye.